Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Divinity skin in Doom: The Dark Ages. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps, ensuring you understand each requirement. We'll cover the challenges you need to complete and the specific objectives to focus on. By following these instructions, you'll be well on your way to adding this unique cosmetic to your collection. Let's dive into the details. To begin, you'll need to master several core challenges. Focus on completing all the divine trials scattered throughout the main campaign. These trials test your combat prowess and strategic thinking. Additionally, ensure you achieve a 100% completion rate on at least 3 designated missions, uncovering every secret. Finally, demonstrate your close-quarters combat skills by defeating 500 demons using only melee attacks. Next, your quest involves seeking out ancient relics. There are 7 celestial shards meticulously hidden throughout various maps. Finding them all is crucial. You'll also need to unlock 3 distinct secret areas, each containing valuable lore that sheds light on the game's universe. Finally, interact with 5 specific altars of power, which are often found in challenging-to-reach locations, to activate their dormant energies. Once you've completed the challenges and found the relics, you're almost there. Your final steps include reaching player level 25, which unlocks the ultimate objective. Then, embark on and successfully complete the Ascension Protocol side quest, a challenging mission designed to test your mastery. Upon its completion, the exclusive Divinity skin will be automatically added to your in-game inventory, ready for you to equip and showcase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.